Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the problem, open the media page, and scan for red media offline thumbnails. Once you see an offline clip, pause and note its file name and expected folder. Make sure any external drive is powered and mounted. If files were moved, renamed, or came from a camera card, you'll need the original path. Now, don't jump to relink yet. Confirm whether all offline clips share a common folder or drive. That pattern will determine the fastest relink method. You now choose the correct relink strategy. Select all offline clips, right-click and pick Relink Selected Clips, then navigate to the folder where the originals are stored. If many clips moved as a group, use Relink to Folder so Resolve maps names in bulk. Once relinked, validate by playing a few clips. If frame rates or codecs mismatch, use Media Management to create conformed files or optimized media. This avoids timeline drift and ensures color and edit sync remain intact. You finish by returning to the edit page and playing the timeline from start to finish. Confirm audio and picture are in sync and trims stayed put. If playback is jerky, generate optimized media or proxies so you can edit smoothly. If some clips still show offline, check file permissions, ensure the drive letter or network path matches, and verify file names haven't changed. As a last step, remove the broken items from the media pool and re-import or use media storage to rebuild links. That usually fixes stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.